Houston Livestock Rodeo Barbecue Championship, here we come. Made it through the airport, TSA. Oklahoma City is probably one of the most super simple, super easy place. Had a meal prep, trying to eat a little healthier. So, plane boards in about 20 minutes. Then we'll be in there. This is my ride right here. Alright, any expectations? This your first time Houston Livestock Rodeo?
My first time with the Houston Livestock Rodeo. How about you?
My first time. Expectations, don't get into the heavy drinking.
Yeah.
I made two-step a little bit with Rick. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, next stop, on site.
Boom.
Rick acts like he knows what he's doing. Yeah. Pretty bummed to ride. Alright, so we just broke in. We had to hop that fence. Me and Rick, we had to hop under the fence. Yeah, we I'll tell everybody we hopped over it, but we actually went under it. So, yeah, we broke into this place. Right now, we're heading to the Motherload tent. My boy Randy, word on the street is he's spending a lot of money, so he's got the biggest tent, so we're gonna go check it out. So this is my boy Randy's tent. I don't know if it's really a tent or this is a small city. Let's go check it out. You know, I'll be honest with you, I ain't been here 5 freaking minutes. And I can already tell you that these tents are not like tents at other places. I mean, look at this place. Check this out. Look at this tent. Like they put a facade on it. On the whole thing. And it's tiki. Man, I tell you what, I grew up about, I don't know, 50 miles from here. Texas. They know how to party. So what'd you make right here?
That's a pineapple cream cake.
Pineapple cream cake.
Yeah.
Made with
Kosmos rib place.
You gonna take the first bite? You gotta take the first bite.
Got to, you made it.
You're gonna do the next one, right?
Okay, I'll do the next one.
Alright.
Oh.
He'll do.
Alright, so for those of you who don't know, pineapple is like my freaking, like, I love it. This one, my boy Joey's out here. Memphis and May, Jack Daniels, American Rule, and now let's see what we do here. Houston. Day number 2. I'm alive, barely. These guys are all barely alive too. Let's see, hold on, Justin. Hey man, what we got? These are, got the tags.
We're legal.
We're legal. Oh, chicken. All right, so a little bit of update. I've been to all of them. All the big ones. Texas, by far, and I know they all have their own things, but there is not another barbecue event that I have been to. This by far is the biggest one I've been to as of today. Now, I do hear some whisperings about some meat stocks. And then I heard there was one in the UK that's supposedly massive. I gotta go to these. So if you guys know somebody at the meat stocks, if you know somebody at these other ones, tag me down below because I gotta go. I gotta bring it to the people.
Day 45 of the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. We survived. We're at the airport. Our flight leaves in like 2 hours.